Welcome to Kedre Tech Channel. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of CSS cascading style sheets and how it can elevate a basic HTML page into a visually stunning website. On one side, we have a simple HTML page functional but uninspiring. On the other, the same page brought to life with CSS, colors, layouts, animations, and more. CSS is the language that styles your web content. It controls layout, colors, fonts, and responsiveness, turning plain text into engaging web experiences. Take CSS Zen Garden, for instance. It's a single HTML file styled differently by various designers using only CSS. The transformations are astounding. Videos like Behold the Power of CSS demonstrate these dramatic changes, emphasizing CSS's capability to redefine web aesthetics. Modern CSS offers animations, transitions, and responsive design features. These tools allow for dynamic interactions and adaptability across devices. To harness CSS's full potential, explore resources like MDN Web Docs, CSS tricks, and tutorials from experts like Kevin Powell. CSS is more than just decoration, it's a powerful tool that shapes user experience. Dive into CSS, experiment, and watch your web designs transform. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web development insights, and share your CSS creations in the comments below.